Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to open multiple windows in Microsoft Outlook. And the whole reason you might want to do this is if you have multiple monitors, it's nice to have a greater view of Outlook so you can do some unique things with it. If you put your pointer over any of the items on the bottom left and click on the right mouse button, you can open those items in a new separate window. So by doing that, right-clicking, you could open up the calendar so that it's in a new window that you can drag things to schedule things. And I'm going to show you that shortly. So now you've seen the calendar open, and I've made it a smaller size so that you could see it compared or side by side to my inbox. I'm going to close that window in the background that was a browser. But instead of having two side-by-side windows, imagine having two monitors where maybe your email is on one side and your calendar is on the other side. Where this gets really nice is when you're trying to schedule things. So for example, let's say a lot of emails you received. Well, I'm going to grab an email and I'm going to drag it over to my calendar. And again, imagine if you had two monitors and you had your calendar on one side, your inbox on the other. Well, I dragged this down to 4 o'clock, and when I did that, it opened up this. So now it scheduled it for 4 o'clock to 4:30. It took the contents of the body. So after I click Save and Close, this is actually going to be calendar. And because it saved it in the body, I can actually delete the email. Okay. Now that little box came up, as you know, I have a little piece of software, an add-on product. Just ignore that. That's not related to Outlook. So now there's that item at 4 o'clock. So it works really great to be able to take these windows and open up them as a second window. It's not like you got to keep going back and forth between your calendar and your email. You can do the same thing with people and tasks. So it really works out great, and I really urge you to take a look at this. I think you'll find it very beneficial. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.